What follows is a brief construction montage.
What up, y'all? This is Makeup and Malinois channel. This is our positions box build, little shop vlog. If you want to see what we use the positions box for, you can check out this video here, where we show you kind of what we use it for. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be providing some witty banter. Use our supplies list. Pen, pencil, square, another square, tape measure, ruler, another ruler, coffee, aluminum, more aluminum, even more aluminum, and the ever important Sharpie and goggles. So you were just taking little measurements of the old box and just cutting a little aluminum. If you didn't know, you can cut aluminum with your hand. But my hand was a little bit sore after that, so I decided to do it the old-fashioned way and go with a trusty saw. Shout out to this old Tony for the inspiration and showed me that you can actually cut metal with your bare hands.
For sure.
Just had to pick up some supplies from the old property. Had to get grinder for tungsten, for the TIG welder, and some more TIG welding supplies, and some white plastic sheeting that I'm going to use for the outside of the box.
A few moments later.
This will be the only time that I show some welding at normal speed. There's a lot of welding, so I sped up most of it. Otherwise, the video would have been 2 hours long. A little flipperoo. If anybody's curious, cleaning your aluminum before welding is extremely important. So there's a little acetone, wipe off any oil residue. Gotta keep your aluminum clean. Got the sides done. Time to square it up. Clamp it up. And then weld it up.
Early the next morning.
Sometimes you gotta get out the big guns. It's definitely a little rusty. I haven't TIG welded in a long time, so I was kind of warming up. And the welds definitely got better towards the end. Now I'm finishing up welding the tabs on the front that keep the front panel secured. And I had to cut slots into the front panel because I was welding on tabs onto them that would slide into the side frames that would keep the front panel secure when you slide it in there. Probably would do it a little bit different next time because this took a little longer than I wanted it to. Might make an adjustment if I make another one. But still worked. Got the front panel all welded, all the welding's pretty much done. Time to cut the side panels. I got I think it's HDPE sheeting. It's high density polyethylene, I believe. It's really good for kennel doors, that kind of thing. You want to deburr the edges. It's always satisfying to do a little deburring. marking the holes for drilling. And my punch did not want to work. There we go. Got the wood pieces cut, just sanding the edges. Now I gotta clean it. It's always the most boring part. Gotta make her look nice and get all the welding residue brushed off. In the moment you've all been waiting for! Assembly time! In our living room. Scroogies. Ratchety. Overall, I'm happy with how this box came out. Probably make a couple adjustments if I make one in the future, but definitely like it's sturdy. It'll definitely get a lot of use. I hope everybody, well, I hope somebody out there enjoyed this video. I had fun making it, but we will see you guys next time. Thank you.